Good morning. Welcome to zoology class. Today the topic is apiculture. What is apiculture? Rearing of honeybees by human beings is called apiculture. Okay. Apiculture is beekeeping, is the maintenance of honeybee colonies by humans in order to collect products like honey, bee wax, propolis, etc. Okay, a location where bee colonies are kept is called an apiary or bee yard. Honeybees are highly organized social insects and their systematic position is given below. Kingdom, they belong to kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hymenoptera, family Epidae, genus Apis. Species is basing on many types are there, Millifera or Apis indica, etc. Okay. So history. Apiculture is thought to have been practiced in early 13,000 BC. The medicinal importance of honey is mentioned in Quran, in Surah Nal, in chapter 16. Oh, that's we don't require. Use of honey also mentioned in religion scriptures like Vedas, Puranas, Ramayana, and Mahabharata also. See here in this picture diagram, you can see very clearly. This is beekeeping by a person, and these are honeybees. Okay, in this picture also you can see the same. This person is collecting honey. Okay, then species. Which species mostly used for honey preparation, that is for apiculture rearing? Our first one is Apis dorsata, common name is the rock bee. This is the largest honeybee. Builds single large open comb on a high branches of a tree and rocks. Produces large quantities of honey. But this bee is difficult to domesticate. Highly voracious. Okay. Next, Apis serena indicata. This is Indian bee, medium sized bee. Hive consists of several parallel combs in cavities of tree trunks, earthen pots, etc. This bee is not so voracious and can be domesticated. Okay. Next, third one is Apis florea, the little bee. It is small sized, builds single small combs in bushes, hedges, etc. Honey yield is very poor. Apis millipera, the European bee, somewhat looks like the Indian bee, Apis indica. This has been introduced in many parts of world including India. It is easily domesticated. The bee colony, it has mainly three castes: queen, worker, and drone. Queen bee. Queen bee is the only fertile female in the colony, large in size, wax glands are absent, lives about 3 to 4 years. May lay eggs at the rate of 1500 to 2000 per day. Drones. Drones are the male members of colony. Drones can live up to about 60 days. Sting and wax glands are absent. Develops from unfertilized egg. The sole duty of drone is to fertilize the queen. Next, worker bee. Have well developed sting, hand legs, and pollen basket for collecting pollen. They perform different duties depending on their age, which day 1 to 14 activity inside the hive, such as cleaning the hive, feeding the larvae, etc. 14 to 20 guard the entrance of the hive. 21 to 35 foraging, that is collecting the nectar and pollen from the surrounding. Life cycle and development. The 7 days old queen goes out from the hive along with some drones for mating. This is called as nuptial or marriage flight. Only one drone mates with the queen and she stores spermatophore in her spermatotheca. Mating takes place while flying, and after mating, drone dies and the queen returns to the hive. The queen has the ability to control the release of sperms from spermatheca. Then honeybee development. Hatching. Worker is in 3 days, queen is in 3 days, drone also 3 days. Cell capped 8 days, queen is 8 days, drone is 10 days. Pupa. Worker is 11 days, queen is 10 days, drone is 14 days. Becoming adult is worker in 20 days, queen is 15 days, drone is 22.5. Emerges from cell, worker 21 days, queen 16 days, drone 24 days. See in the diagram, this is a queen, very large in size. It is filled by royal jelly. Then this is in middle one is worker bee, which takes light feeding. Next, third one is drone, which is unfertilized. These are 3 types of honeybees. Next, methods of beekeeping. Indigenous methods of beekeeping. This is an old method and the 2 types of hives are used in this method as follows. Wall or fixed hive. It is purely natural type. Comb, natural type of comb, because bees prepare hive by themselves on the walls or trees. Next is movable hive. It comprises of wooden boxes or earthen pitchers. The traditional beekeeper catch clustered swarms from trees, bushes, etc. and transfer them to the above mentioned spaces. Here you see this is a fixed hive which is constructed on the wall, natural type, and the second one is movable hive. It can be moved from one place to another place. Next, modern method of apiculture. Modern beehives were designed based on bee space theory. L.L. Langstorff in 1851. Bee space is, sorry for the disturbance. Bee space is optimum distance to be left in between 2 adjacent comb surfaces in a beehive, which is essential for normal movement and functioning of bees. Types of hives. In general, for Apis mellifera we use Langstroth hive, and for Apis cerana hive A and B types as per Bureau of Indian Standards. Parts of typical movable hive. Stand to support the bottom. Board, see this is stand. Next, bottom board It forms proper base for hive having an entrance for bee. This is screen board, bottom board. From here the bees will enter. Next, brood chamber. It is used for rearing of brood. Frames are placed in this chamber on which bees raise combs. This is the brood chamber. Okay. Next, queen excluder. Perforated zinc sheets assembled in such a way that workers can pass through them, but a queen cannot. Next, super. It is provided with many frames containing comb foundation to provide additional space for expansion of hive. So this is queen excluder, this middle one. Then medium depth super, two supers are present. Okay, here two supers are present. Next, inner cover, a board which acts as a partition between brood or super chamber and the roof. Next, top cover, a type of lid acting as roof placed over inner cover. Next, other equipments. Comb foundation mill, used to print natural cell size of desired comb foundation sheet. Bee veil, used for preventing bee sting on face and neck. Smoker, used to calm down the bees while opening the hive. Next is uncapping knife, large sized knife used to uncap the frames before the honey extraction. See the process how they are uncapping the knife. Next, honey extractor. It is used for extraction of honey from comb and is function on the principle of centrifugal force. Products of apiculture. Bees produce honey from nectar of plant through enzymatic activity, respiration and water evaporation. Uses. Food. Honey is a nutritious food rich in energy and vitamins. It is used to prevent cold, cough and fever. Composition of honey. Levulose is 38.9%, dextrose is 21.28%, maltose and other sugars are 8.81%, enzymes and pigments are 22.21%, water is 17.20%. Okay. Next, beeswax. Beeswax is secreted by the wax gland located on underside of the last four abdominal segments, 4th to 7th of the worker bee. Its uses of beeswax is making of candles, used in creams, lotions, lipsticks, formation of comb foundation. Wax foundation in apiaries. Royal jelly. The glandular secretion of young worker bee, 4 to 10 days old, produced by the hypopharyngeal gland in the head. It is used for treatment of diabetes, osteoporosis, etc. It also aids in healing wounds and boosts immunity. Bee venom. Bee venom is a bitter colorless liquid containing proteins which causes local inflammation. Bee venom is given as a shot for rheumatoid arthritis, nerve pain, multiple sclerosis, desensitization of the people allergic to bee sting. Melittin, 30 to 50% of bee venom. Phospholipase A 10 to 20, apamine 3% of bee venom, hyaluronidase is 2%, most cell degranulating peptide 2, histamine is less than 1%. Propolis. Propolis is a resinous mixture that honey bees produce a mixing saliva and beeswax with exudate gathered from tree buds. Uses. It is used by bees to seal unwanted spaces in hive. Used to treat cough and throat irritation. Bee enemies and diseases. Enemies of honeybees: wax moth, Galeria melonella. The caterpillar lives in the silken tunnels made by the bees, feed on the propolis, pollen and wax of the combs. Wasps. It waits near the entrance of the hive, catches bees as they come out, macerate them for feeding the juice of its young ones. Other enemies of wax are beetle, birds, ants, etc. Diseases of honeybees. Acarnia is a disease. Causative agents is Acarapis woodi. It infests the tracheal system of bee. Varrosis, caused by Varroa destructor, sucks the hemolymph of bee. American fall brood Bacillus larvae, death of bee larva. Nosema apis, destroys stomach cells and interferes with digestion. See, this is Acarapis woodi, this left one. Next, American fall brood, this is Nosema disease. Colony collapse disorder, CCD, is the phenomenon that occurs when the majority of worker bees in a colony disappear and leave behind a queen, plenty of food and a few nurse bees to care for the remaining immature bees and the queen. This disorder causes great economic loss because bees play an important role in the pollination of many agricultural crops. Several possible causes of CCD includes infection with Varroa and Acarapis mites, malnutrition, genetic factor, immune deficiency, and pesticides. Agencies involved in apiculture in India: Agriculture Product Export Development Authority, under the aegis of Ministry of Commerce and Industry, helps to promote export of honey. National Bee Board, under the Ministry of Agriculture, has contributed to overall development of scientific beekeeping in India. The Central Bee Research and Training Institute provide training to beekeepers. Khadi and Village Industries Commission provide training and develop several appropriate technologies suited to Indian beekeeping in natural area. State-wise details of bee species in use: North India, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh. Apis mellifera, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir. Apis serena. South India, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Andaman Nicobar. Apis serena. East India, Bihar, West Bengal. Apis mellifera. Orissa, North East States, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand. Apis serena. West Rajasthan, Apis mellifera. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Goa. Apis serena. Production of honeybee in India in 1000 MT, 2001 to 210, 2005 to 6 it is increased to 52, in 2007 8 65, and 2009 11 65. Recent data I don't have. Okay, 2009 value as per China is the top exporter. Thank you for listening my class. Okay.